Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are tuning in for the first time, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. In this video I'm going to be making a very interesting recipe called KOKORO corn sticks with coconut. Like, I'm going to be using coconut to make my corn sticks, and here are my ingredients. I have my cornmeal, my sugar, my salt, milk powder, flour, and of course our grated coconut. So don't go anywhere, make sure you watch till the end. Okay guys, let's get to work. I've measured in my cornmeal flour, so I'll pour in my wheat flour, and I also pour in my sugar. The full recipe will be in the description section. We add about half TBS of milk powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. After which mix together. So after mixing all my dry ingredients together, you have to divide this into 2 parts. Like, just take out a little portion from the whole parts. The second part, I'm going to use it to make my starch. You can do well to check my other videos on how to make kokoro for more explanatory process. So after dividing my flour, now we want to make a starch from the first portion of the cornmeal, and these are coconut. Hope you didn't forget. So I'll pour in my grated coconut in a pot right now and place this water on fire till it boils. So as you can see, the water is boiling already, and you can see our coconut. I use this method because I want the coconut to like bring out its oil that is going to show in my corn sticks, like that natural flavor of coconut. I want it much in my corn sticks, and that is also why I use this quantity of grated coconut. So we are going to go ahead now and pour in our cornmeal flour to make our starch. Guys, let's go. Yeah, this thing is so I poured in my cornmeal flour. So then we're going to stir these and make it to form a thick starch. So when you are putting your water, like when you want to pour in your water for your starch, make sure it is not too much. Just check my other videos and you're going to see the full explanation of how to make corn sticks. So guys, look at what we've got. We've got a very thick starch here. So this is what we want. I hope you can see the coconut in it. Yes. So guys, after making our starch, this is what we have. Then we add in our second portion to it and incorporate it together while it is still hot. Hope you are enjoying this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course ask your questions in the comment section. Place your comments. I'll be so excited to reply your comments and answer your questions. Also, don't forget to check out my other amazing recipes on how I use natural and healthy food products in my snacks or in my pastries. So you have to do this till you incorporate all your cornmeal flour. So if this seems to be like too hot for you, you can use your turning stick to incorporate them. So I'm going to make sure I incorporate this very well. Yippee! Our starch is ready, guys. Make sure you don't cover it and allow it to cool. So our corn sticks are ready to be fried. So in my oil I will add bonnet pepper, onions and garlic, just to give it an extra flavor. It is not compulsory. Once our oil is hot enough, then we fry under low heat. And we add in our corn sticks. One after the other. Just shift the oil a bit. So when you are frying, you have to monitor it, because some will get done before the others. You have to fish them out and pick them out. Guys, after frying our KOKORO, this is what we have. Our beautiful corn sticks are ready. So this is crunchy, delicious with a coconut flavor taste. I hope you can hear the crunchiness. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Till I come your way again in my next video. Peace out. Bye bye.